veggies, welcome back. I'm Jane Sarche, I'm a food writer, photographer, blah 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 blah. This is Myrtle, the gorgeous camper van, and in this tiny kitchen we're bringing you another awesome recipe today. So confusingly, today's recipe was actually made yesterday, and yesterday, was the first day of spring. Hurrah! I am so over winter. And in celebration, the sun is shining for us, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I'm going to be able to swap out the wellies for the flip-flops in the not too distant future. Okay, today's recipe, we are making a vegetarian dish. It could be vegan if you used a different oil. I'm using ghee, which is obviously made from cow's milk, so it's not vegan. But if you swap this out for your favourite cooking oil, then you have a very tasty vegan dinner. Heat your oil up, and here I've got 4 button mushrooms that I've sliced into pretty thick slices, and when your oil is hot then you can pop your mushrooms in, and you're just going to fry them until you get a nice golden colour. Oh, cooking mushrooms smells so good. When you've got a little bit of colour on the underneath, you can just flip them over and cook the other side. Now obviously mine are looking pretty yellow because I'm using the golden ghee that's got turmeric in. I'm going for the psychedelic mushroom look. Perfect. When your second side is cooked, then pop in a clove of garlic and let that fry down too. Just need about 30 seconds just to let that start to cook. Next up, we're going to add some coconut cream. Now I'm using one of these little cans, but I'm going to start off just with half of it to start with, and I want the actual cream. Now for all my keto vegetarian friends out there, you could obviously double this recipe right up and omit the noodles, the pasta, and you've got a really nice creamy dish. A little pinch of salt, a little grind of pepper. Now I'm actually using straight to wok noodles. Noodles kind of is pasta, pasta is kind of noodles. I believe you can get some ready to rumble pasta pouches too. I haven't actually found them, they're not in my local shops, so hence me using noodles for this dish. Obviously if you're not fussed about the whole one pot thing, you don't mind your washing up, or you've got an army of children to do the washing up for you, send them my way. Then obviously you can have another pan on the go with your pasta in, or you can pre-cook the pasta in your pan first, whatever works for you. So all we're doing now is heating those noodles through, and as you can see it's starting to look a little bit dry, so done. That's absolutely delicious. Okay, let's plate it up. And there we are, another really quick and really easy one pot camping recipe. I hope you give this one a go. As always, please hit thumbs up if you liked it. Leave some ideas for more recipes you'd like to see in the description box below. Let that car go past. And I'll see you next week with a very tasty and very seasonal recipe. Until then, have a fabulous week. Happy camping. Adios.